In today's video, I am going to show you the radicals array input method at A lower key. And A lower key is at symbol key, which is comma below K. So comma key is the A lower key on a keyboard. And A lower we have 8 So all the radicals you see here today are 8. Okay, and according to the fundamental keys, 8 is right falling and 2 dots in different directions. Okay, so let's begin from the first one. The first one we have is fire. So you can see fire on the left hand side and upper and right side here, fire. Because fire begins with 2 dots in different directions, 8, and end with person, 8. So this radical is 8. Alright, so the first one, left hand side is 8, so we press the comma key A lower. And continue, we have 4 cross, 1 horizontal, 4 1. And 4 1 is at 4 upper. And continue, 4 1 again. Okay, we've done 3, we go to the last one, which is right here. These 2 strokes with the hook, these are 2. So we press 2 middle and space. Continue left upper, we have fire, right upper fire as well. So fire twice, A lower twice. And continue, we have a 7 lit in the middle, right here, 7 lit, 7 middle. And last one, this is a 5 right turn, and this stroke right here is 9 left turn. Okay, so this is a 5-9. 5-9 is at 5 lower space. Alright, next one, left hand side, this is 6 0. 6.0 square. 6 0 is at 6 upper. And continue, we have fire, so 8 lower key twice and space. Alright, next one, you see these 4 dots, and if you look it up in the dictionary, fire, these are also called fire, and these, they look like they are 4 dots, but I think this one has nothing to do with fire like this one. But anyways, we put these radicals as exceptions, so these are also 8. Alright, so for this one is 7 6, 7 lower. And continue, we have a 1 8, 1 horizontal, 8 person. 1 8 is at 1 lower. And continue this dot right here, dot 6, 6 upper. No, 6 middle. Alright, and last one, 8 A lower space. Okay, next one, begin with the square right here and end with 1 horizontal. So this is 0 1. 0 1 is at 0 upper. And continue 4 dots, 8 lower and space. First one. Okay, the next one begins with 9. The first stroke is 9 left falling, and the last stroke right here is 5. So this is a 9 5, and 9 5 is at 9 middle. And continue 4 dots here, so 8 lower and space. First one. Continue fish. The upper part begins with 7 lit, and then a square and with 4 cross, 7 4, 7 upper. And the rest 4 dots, so 8 lower and space. Alright, next one. Begin with 8 1, 2 dots in different directions, 8 and 1 horizontal. 8 1 is at 8 upper. And continue, we have a 4 cross and 1 horizontal, 4 1. 4 1, 4 upper. And continue 4 dots, so 8 lower key. Okay, we've done 3, we go to the last one. This right here, this is a 1 8, 1 horizontal, person 8. 1 8 is at 1 lower and space. Alright, Next one, horse. So this one right here, if you learned 5 before, so you know this is exception. So this is a 5. We pick this one right here, 5. Okay, so 5 middle. And the rest 4 dots, a lower key and space. All right, continue. The next 8 radicals right here, you can see 8, 2 dots, and a 4, and end with 8. So this radical is 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 bottom, 8, 8 middle. Okay, so first one right here, 8, 8, 8 lower key. And continue, this is a double cross, 4 and 1 horizontal, 4, 1. 4, 1 is at 4 upper. And the right bottom, you can see this is a 7 lit, 1 horizontal, 7, 1, 7 upper, and space. Okay, next one. Right here, this is a 8, 8, so 8 lower key. And continue dot 6 and end with 8 right falling. 6, 8 is at 6 lower, and space. Okay, the next one, first stroke, 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And right here, the rest begin with square. And these two are exceptions, belong to 8, so 0, 8, 0 lower. And last one, this is a 8, 8, so 2 dots 8, 2 dots 8, 8, 8, a lower, and space. Alright, next one, we have 4 cross upper, 4 middle key. Alright, next one, this is a 9, 5, 9 left falling, and 5 right turn. 9, 5 is at 9 middle. And the rest, this is 8, 8, so we press 8 lower, and space. First one. Okay, the next 8, 8 radical right here, you can see according to the strokes, we begin with 2 dots right here, 8, and end with these 2 dots. So this part right here, this radical is 8, 8. And the middle one right here is also, okay, so in this case, 8, 8, 8 lower, and continue. This one is a 9, 8, 9, left falling, and end with right falling. So 9, 8 is a 9 lower. And continue, we have a 7 lit right here, 7 lit, 7 middle. And last one, 3 vertical, 3 middle key, and space. Alright, next one, you have your hand right here. Hand is 9, 4. So we press 9 upper, and the middle is 8, 8, a lower key. And last one, this is a 9, 8. Begins with 9 left falling and end with 8 right falling, just like this one right here. Okay, so 9 lower key and space. And next one, the next 8, 8 radical is 2 dots right here and then 2 dots right here. So 8, 8, 8, 8 radical. So same thing here, 8 and 8. So this is also 8, 8 radical. Okay, so for this one, begin with this cross. So we press 4 middle. And continue 4 dots right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8, 8. So a lower. And last row right here, 6 dot 6 middle and space. Alright, last one. Left hand side is exception 2 middle. And continue. Right here, these 2 strokes, 2 middle, because this one got hook, so 2 middle key. And last is these 4 dots, 8, 8, a lower, and space. Alright, that's all for the radicals of array input method. 8, 8, 8 lower key. And a lower key is at your keyboard, the symbol, which is comma, right below letter K. That's all for the videos today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.